Let's analyze together Shopify.
Let's go. Welcome trading HD. Look at this plus 22%. Very interesting. First of all, remember to subscribe, read the disclaimer right there, and let's get started with this stock because we have something related with the earnings and revenue, the surprise factor, plus 65% for the earnings and plus 2.5% more or less for the revenue. Very interesting because we are talking about billions of dollars, so plus 2.5% surprise factor is a lot of money.
Yeah, you can clearly see that obviously it's not as high as the previous one, but obviously every time you send a new earnings report, obviously it's more difficult to get a better percentage, especially when you go like down like this. I mean, we experiencing like a huge downtrend in Shopify. It was trading at $173 right now. It's trading at 59. I mean, we are still very far away from those incredible levels. So at this particular point, the key question here, Enrique, as I always say, is it to buy or sell?
That's a very good question that I want our subscribers to answer below so we can start a debate right there. Because, as usual, the important thing as a trader is not to be right, but when you're right, how much money do you make, and where you are wrong, how much money do you lose, and also some psychological part that we can discuss in other videos if you're interested in that topic, because I think that's very interesting and fascinating also. And for this particular case of this stock, I wanted to mention, like, in this you can see this vertical line in the last earnings, like the positive surprise factor was plus 117% for the earnings and 4.2% for the revenue, was higher than these last results, and we didn't have a gap to the upside. Even the opposite happened, like the price dropped very fast from there. Then it bounced again, probably because of that technical channel that you had right there in the chart. But it was a different scenario than the one that's happening right now. Why do you think this happened, guys? Let us know in the comments, or if you are familiarized with this kind of scenarios in another type of stocks.
Yeah, what I can tell is like today, in particular today, all the stocks are going up like crazy. We have all the main indices worldwide going up on more than 2% each. So obviously, maybe that could be one of the reasons. But obviously, you have to analyze yourself what's happening in the markets. You have to analyze if it is something related to the stock in particular, or is it related to the indices. Obviously, there are a lot of investors, a lot of different reasons that can be happening at the same time. So obviously, you need to analyze yourself what's happening and then act to act accordingly.
Yeah, exactly. That's a very good thing to take into account. And right now the markets are crazy, going up. Do you think this will continue? Do you think it will end right now? We don't know the answer, but you can share your opinion with us, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for your likes. Welcome to Trading HD. Let's start with this community. Let's communicate. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Take care.
Bye bye.